Hey guys, it's the one and only Great Dane here with another video. So I'm going to be uploading two videos today for a special occasion. So I got a comment from Amiko Gamer on a video that I published no more than like 19 minutes ago. So hashtag, I want to say hashtag notification squad, but I've never seen him before on my channel. So hopefully he subscribes and hits the bell, because that would be great. Of course, I'm giving him a shout out here. And I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the iCard for this video, because he's the person I am working with at the moment. So, Amiko Gamer says, how to update on App Store, please, tutorial. And despite the fact that he completely spelled that incorrectly, I'm going to do my best to help you out here, friend. So, yeah, you came to the right place, because I always do my best to help out my comments or replies. So again, if you ever have a question and you want to see me make a video on a game or something, comment it down below, and this video in itself is proof that I will do that. So as you can see in my description here, it already just so happens that I have the game in the description, because I usually do that anyway for people that want to play it. So you can either look up Brawl Stars in your app store, or you can click on the link which I left right here, which is what I'm going to do for my convenience. So, this is probably gonna open it up either in Chrome or... Okay, so this is probably gonna take you to the Chrome site, but I'm also gonna show it in the regular site. So this will take you here, and if you click on it, you can install it through Chrome too. As you can see, I was just working. I literally, I should add this in quick, so... For any of my notification squad or someone who arrives, like within 30 minutes of the video just being uploaded, I should probably mention that my video edits don't go through for like 30 minutes, because I literally edit the video as it uploads. So if I say click on this in the iCard or use the links, not always there. You gotta give me 30 minutes to edit them in sometimes. Okay, so back to Amika's question. So, how to update Brawl Stars? Okay, so how updates work, a few things. I'm assuming he doesn't already know, or he's just having an issue with something. So first of all, to update a game, you need to have space on your device. So make sure you have enough free space, either by deleting some cake data in your settings, or just looking in your settings in general to delete anything so you have enough space. And then there should be a button to update it, and there are some requirements. Let me see if I can find them quick. It's probably right. Am I in the app yet? Okay, here we go. So if you click on it again, it shows you here. Let me see if I can find the requirements, because I want to make sure that I'm not just telling you to update your device if you have a problem, if you physically can't. So I'm pretty sure you need Android 4.0. Let me see if I can guarantee that, though. To be fair, my device is, the device I'm making the video on right now is about 3 years old, so I don't think there's a problem with that. You should be able to update it right in your store. So, if you're having a problem with opening the game when you've already updated it, I noticed that I needed to close and open the game 3 times before it actually loaded. I don't know what caused that, but it should be better now. And I do know that there were problems with recent updates in the past, and it took, I think, about a week once for them to fix one, around the time that Rosa was added into the game. So still trying to see if I can find answer Amika's question here. Doesn't say that there are any really requirements on your device. Of course, Amika, it should say whether or not the game is compatible in your app store. So if you can't get it through the Chrome browser, just open up your Play Store, search Brawl Stars. It's the one with the yellow skull icon. And if you already have it downloaded, it'll say update, and if you don't, you can install it. I hope this answers your question, and if it doesn't, again, leave a question in the comments or something that I can reply to, and I'll see if I can't help you out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day, and good luck with with the new Brawl Stars update if you play it. Again, I'll leave a link in the description to Brawl Stars. And again, I'm probably not going to be uploading 2 videos a day, but this is a special occasion for Amiko games.